The DC Motors Kit 18 set by EUDAX is a versatile package that includes everything needed for DIY science projects, making it a great educational tool for children aged 8 and up. Each motor in the kit is a robust, brushed electric 130 motor with strong magnetic properties, capable of operating at a range of 3 to 12 volts for diverse project applications. With a no-load speed reaching up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, these motors provide high torque, ensuring efficient performance in a variety of STEM toys and models. The kit's extensive assortment of components, such as battery holders, rocker switches, and propellers, allows for creative and customizable project building. The inclusion of color-coded wires and multiple propeller options enhances the learning experience by offering visual and hands-on engagement. This comprehensive kit is a valuable resource for budding engineers, providing the tools to explore mechanical concepts and develop problem-solving skills.